Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, today our topic is how to make money with mobile applications. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest videos. Let's get started. The mobile application development services industry comes along with a huge potential to earn millions of dollars. However, not every app earns an equal share of Android and iOS market revenue. Following the same mobile application development process to make money with Android and iOS app, not every developer is enjoying the fortune of getting billions of dollars being transferred to their accounts. This is making startups and developers who are yet to enter the mobile industry encounter questions like how do apps make money? How do you make money from an app? Questions we'll tackle in this video. But before we dig out answer to these questions, let me share one thing. There are over 4.83 million apps to download on both app stores, and many more are expected to enter the domain, meaning there's a tough competition in the marketplace for earning from apps. In such a scenario, one thing that can prevent your app idea sink like technique of is focusing on the right consideration before building an application. So let's uncover what things you must consider before making any effort into money earning apps development. Prior to choosing any of the monetization models, you need to understand the type of your application, what and how your application tackles any issue. When focusing on how to apps make money, the app purpose plays a pivotal role. A detailed understanding of what problems you are targeting, what software development services your app will offer, what could be the probable impact on the market, and how the app will be useful in serving the customers and their needs. Another factor that helps in determining how much money can you make from an app is the target audience. If you are making a mobile application for the business people, it is important to go with a monetization strategy that does not waste their time. When it comes to building an app for kids, it is good to offer applications development services for free. Performing competitive analysis also contributes to making the decision related to money making apps development. The insights aid in getting a hint about what strategies do similar applications prefer and what all profit they have earned. This eventually helps with this decision making. The set of technologies you introduce in your applications not enhances their user experience and makes it stand out from the competition, but also adds to the earning from mobile apps. The pricing app strategy you choose for your application also makes a difference to the earning from mobile apps, so it is a must to be familiar with all types of mobile apps monetization strategies. They can go with some of which are in-app advertising. While the application is free to download and use, app publishers earn money based on the interactions on the advertisement displayed within the application. This app revenue model is highly considered and found to be profitable. In-app purchases and freemium model. The foremost monetization strategy that one consider when looking into how to make money of an app without ads is freemium.